Okay, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate what we call Deadbug Rolling. I have these balls that might help us. I'll show how we use those in a second. So I'll set these down. I'm going to demonstrate here off the mat table, but this can easily be done at home on the ground. Just throw down a mat or something. So I'm going to start by laying on my back, and I'm going to bring my right leg down and keep my right hip extended, and bring my left shoulder and arm overhead like so. And then with my opposite arm and leg, I'm actually going to bring them together in the middle of my body. Okay, so I'm kind of doing a crunch to get into this position. Okay, so now I'm going to ask you to roll from that position, but here's kind of the key. I don't want you to kick in with this leg or this arm. I want you to pretend like they're paralyzed and you can't use them. They're just going to stay kind of rooted overhead and down below. They're not going to move from that position. The other thing is I want you to pretend like you're you can't separate your elbow from your knee, even momentarily. So I want you to make sure that you stay engaged in your midsection such that this elbow and knee maintain contact. So I'm going to show the roll to the left. This can be done on both sides. So whenever we're doing the roll, we're going to roll toward the arm in the up position. And we're not going to worry about rolling the other direction. So we're going to come right here, and I'm basically going to use my neck and head to roll to my side and back to my back, without letting this come apart and without driving into the mat with my leg or arm. So I'm just getting really stiff in my midsection, and I'm using the leverage I get from my head and neck rotating to move myself from my side and to my back. And that obviously could be done on the other side. Now, sometimes that's too hard to keep the elbow and knee together. So we can get a ball, and the bigger the ball, the easier it will make it. And we can put it knee and elbow, and then we can execute the same roll from our side and back to our back, just like so. And so, if it's really hard, you might start with something like a basketball and work your way down to something more like a tennis ball, and then eventually eliminate it and just try and get your elbow to your knee. So this is the Deadbug roll. Go ahead and try that out at home. Share it with a friend who needs it, and make sure you subscribe to our channel so you stay up to date with all the things we're doing here at the Movement Clinic.